Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer smart home devices using Apple HomeKit backup, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that both your old and new Apple devices are fully charged and connected to Wi-Fi. On your old device, open the Home app. Tap on the Home icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Select Home Settings from the menu. Scroll down to find the option labeled iCloud. Make sure that iCloud backup is enabled. If not, toggle it on to enable backup of your home settings. Next, tap Backup Now to create a new backup. Wait for the backup process to complete. Once done, turn off the old device. Now, bring in your new Apple device. Turn on your new device and follow the setup process until you reach the home screen. On the new device, open the Settings app. Tap on your name at the top of the screen. Select iCloud from the list. Ensure that you're signed in with the same Apple ID as on the old device. Scroll down to locate Home. Toggle the Home option to enable it. This will prompt your new device to sync with your HomeKit data. Open the Home app on the new device. You should see your smart home devices automatically appear. If any devices do not appear, ensure they are compatible with HomeKit. Follow any prompts to individually set up those devices. If necessary, update the firmware on your smart home devices to ensure compatibility. Once all devices are listed, you can start customizing scenes and automation. Check the functionality of each smart home device to confirm they're working properly. Congratulations, you've successfully transferred your smart home devices using Apple HomeKit Backup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.